Well, hello to everybody. So we're going to talk a little bit about this Android ecosystem for this video. So we'll start without wasting any more time because we got to get to it. We got a lot of good stuff to do. All right, be quiet and tell me. You betcha. Android is an operating system designed for use on mobile devices. The Android operating system was originally created for use in digital cameras. Bet you didn't know that, did you? So the Android operating system is developed primarily for use now on smartphones and touch tablets by Android and Google. Google bought the Android company in 2005, and the Android operating system was released in 2008. Although Android is developed for smartphones and tablets, today it's still being used in Android television, smartwatches, Android Auto, and Android Wear devices. Android Auto is the car smart multimedia system, in case you weren't aware. So, Android operating system is used in more than 100 languages today. That's 5.22 billion people who are using a mobile phone today, and that equates to 66.6% of the world's total population. Also, more than 2 billion people use the Android operating system as of May 2017. Google Play has more than 2.8 million applications published, and more than 6,000 applications are published on Google Play every day. More than 20 million application developers will be needed in the next few years. Yeah, I'm looking at you, right? So this means that you need to learn this Android application development really, well, I'd say kind of quickly, but thoroughly, but quickly. So I believe this course is going to be really good for your process, okay? So after this course, you will be a very good Android application developer. All right, well, at least a good one. Anyway, let's get going. So, another motivation factor, let's talk a little bit about salary. I know you wonder how much your salary is going to be. Well, I'll let you in on a little thing here. Junior Android developer salaries are more than $55,000 per year in the U.S., but I believe you're going to make more. Middle-level Android developer salaries, more than $100,000. Senior-level Android developer salaries is about $130,000 US dollars per annum, as they say. So this chapter was just to give you some, general information about the Android ecosystem. Hope it was useful. After this video, we're going to start to install Android Studio. If you're ready, let's go.